Go ahead. Oh! Hello, friends. Welcome to Desndes.
It's your girl Desmond here. Here's my daddy Desmond. Today we're going to be doing experiments.
But first, we need to know the components of this experiment, right? First, what's the topic? What is this experiment about?
Mixing baking soda and vinegar.
Yes, that's right. So we're going to figure out what happens when we mix baking soda and vinegar, right?
Yep.
Next, we need to predict what's gonna happen, right? What's gonna happen when we mix the baking soda and the vinegar together? And what is our hypothesis? You don't know what's gonna happen? Let's think. It's gonna get up? You think it's gonna like...
Smooth up?
It's gonna move up?
It's going to smooth up.
Smooth up. What does that mean? I don't think anything's gonna happen. I think it's just gonna sit there.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Well, that's why we're doing the experiment, right? Awesome.
Next.
We need materials. What are we gonna use to do this experiment? Let's figure that out, right? Ready? Let's clap. All right, so we have our materials here. Destiny, what are the first things that we need?
We need this.
Yes, this is baking soda, clearly, because we're gonna be putting this into, what is this? Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Vinegar. And then we need, how many cups?
6.
6 cups, right?
Yep.
So we have 6 cups. And then what do we need? We're gonna have a little bit of fun here. What we have here are, what are these called?
Food coloring.
Food coloring, good job. So we have 4 colors here, but we have 6 cups. We're gonna, mix them up a little bit. So we have blue, we have
Green.
we have
Red.
and
Yellow.
good girl. And we need a spoon. Forgot about a spoon, right? We need to be able to mix the coloring up and then also dip. Scoop.
I'll mix it.
You mix it? Sounds good to me. So we're gonna pour the vinegar in the cups, and then we're gonna add the food coloring into the vinegar to make it a little bit fun. And then finally, we're gonna take a spoon of the baking soda and put it into the vinegar and see what happens. So start with the vinegar, right? I'll pour the vinegar.
I'll put my nose.
Why are you closing your nose?
Because
It smells good. You want to smell it? Ooh, it does stink. All right. Ooh, I may have put too much. I need to be careful. All right.
Don't put too much on it.
Yeah. I think I'm putting
This
too
is
much.
going to be mine. That's going to be yours.
You think so? Okay. Say so. All right. So let's put this away.
So we have vinegar in our cups now.
Yeah. You said it stinks, right?
Yep.
It smells bad. All right. So let's mix some coloring now. How about this? Which one do you want to do first?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay.
I'm going to put it.
Make sure you don't make a mess. And you don't want to put too much, right? Just a little bit.
Yes. 4.
Sure. And this is the gel too, guys. We could have got the liquid, but this is what we have. All right, that's enough. Cover it. I'm gonna mix it for you.
So I said I was going to mix it.
What you do?
So you didn't hear me?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
All right.
But I did smell it because
Yeah,
of
it
this.
stinks, right? All right. What's the next color?
Red.
Red. I'm gonna do the green so that we can speed this up a little bit, okay?
We're going to do it again. But green looks like black.
What are we missing? Okay, so we got our
We're
4
missing this
major
one,
colors,
right
right?
here.
All right, so we have our blue now. Okay. Orange, we need to mix red and yellow together.
Hey, I'm gonna have the red.
Okay, you do that. I'll do the purple, which is blue and
Hey,
red.
that's my favorite color.
Yeah, that's good. I'm not gonna put too much. Go ahead and do the orange. Put a little bit more. There you go. Make sure you don't make it fall. Hold on. All right. This is food coloring. You're not gonna get this color out easily, at least. And then orange, right? I mean yellow.
Now me, right here.
Squeeze, squeeze a little bit more. Okay, that should be enough. All right, here you go. Mix it up. All right, I think I already put blue in here.
It's kind of like orange.
And let's add a little
It's
bit
mixing
of
like
red
orange. It's turning into orange.
here. Looks like another shade of red. Okay, let me get this one right. It looks like we got another red. That's what we're gonna deal with. And then this purple again looks like black.
Alright, we're finished making our colors. We're gonna do the baking soda now.
We're gonna add the baking soda? You said that it's gonna like right? And I said it's gonna be like right?
It's gonna be so sleepy.
It's
you
gonna
said.
sleepy. But let's see. We may not sleep. So we have 2 spoons now, and we're gonna do it at the same time.
But
Toast. Little baking soda.
baking soda, come get
You didn't get anything. All right, let me get it, and then I'll hand it to you, okay?
here. No,
Yes.
I will.
Take. No, hold on, right here. Hold this. Hold on, don't do it yet. Let's do it together.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in the blue first. Which one are you gonna put it in?
I'm gonna put it in the yellow.
In the yellow? Okay, let's move the yellow to the front then. Oh! I was moving it to the front. Oh! Look at that.
I told you. Now it's my turn.
Go ahead. Oh! Let me put it
Whoa.
in. Oh! It's making a mess. Oh man.
Mine is not making a mess.
Look at the purple. Ready? Purple.
Whoa.
Oh!
My turn.
Right here. Take this one. Take this one.
I'll put it here.
Oh!
Hey, it's not falling.
Did you put in the yellow one already? All right. Ready?
Hey.
Put this in the yellow. No, you already did put in the yellow one, right?
Yeah.
Put in that one right there.
Red. This one.
Did you put in that one already? Put in this one. This one doesn't seem like it's been touched. Whoa! Wow.
Mine.
That's pretty cool.
One more, and it's already.
It's already all of them have been touched. All right. That was fun, right?
I want more.
You want more? Did everybody at home like what they just saw?
Yeah.
You think they did? I had a lot of
I
fun.
wanted to do it.
You want to do it again? Okay. Well, first, let's find out what happened. So we put baking soda into vinegar, and then some kind of a chemical reaction happened, and it just like it started erupting like a volcano, right? Like
volcano, like I have lava everywhere.
like lava. It's like lava coming out of a volcano, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know why? Because vinegar has acid in it, and the baking soda is the base, and when you mix them two together, they form a chemical reaction.
Thank you all so much for watching. That's all we have today.
We had such an amazing time doing this experiment for you guys. We just hope that you had a great time watching it. And maybe you can try it at home. All you need is baking soda, vinegar, and some food coloring to make it fun, right? All right. Is there anything else you want to say?
Say goodbye.
Goodbye, right? We love you guys. Bye.